Google has opened up such a wonderful and effective opportunity for small businesses to market their business right on the front page of Google and without having to pay per click. It's really effective, really amazing. Allow me to show you a few samples. As you could see here, I'm searching in a virtual private network so that I won't get the results that Google wants to feed me. So I'm basically incognito. So in this particular case, North Houston Beamer in Texas, Spring, Texas, in the knowledge panel that comes from the Google My Business page, which is also linked to the Google Map directory. Now you can have videos displaying right in front of the knowledge panel, as well in some cases, whatever videos you might have might show up also in the front page. Now, the beauty of a knowledge panel, which quickly is becoming the front page of Google by itself, gives the consumer all the proper information, the links to the website, but especially the videos that you can be posting, just like people have been posting in Facebook on a monthly by or weekly basis. That's what we are doing now for our customers. Now, in this particular case, this is the same video that you saw in the front page of Google. And this was posted only 5 days ago. It already received 81 views in 5 days. But that's not the best part of it. The best part of it is that in the new Google My Business page, it gives you all the queries that people use keywords in order to find your business, which in this case is 381, all in 1 month. All these results are in 1 month. And in 1 month, out of customers who find your listing searching for your business name or address, 454 in 1 month. Now, of course, they prompt you to, add more pictures and add more videos because they know that's producing results. But it gives you a lot of other information. Like, for instance, who visited your website from your Google My Business Google Map directory? 87. Who requested directions to get to your place? 96. Who called you, on your website number without having to pay per call or pay per click? 88. And it even tells you the many places that they are calling you or finding you. Now, here we have another example. Window tinting and testing, DP tint testing. The same case scenario, quickly. Here is a video that was posted 22 hours ago as a post, just like you do in Facebook. And guess what? It also shows the 3 videos and of the many videos they have online, but they are showing in the front page of Google, plus all the rest of the information. Moving over to their Google My Business Inside Data. Same case scenario. In 1 month, 280 people found them directly by name or address. And of course, the rest is customers who find your listing searching for the category, product, or service. Window tinting, auto service, auto repair, whatever the case might be. In this particular case, 76 visited the website, 62 requested directions, 75 call the business without having to pay for calls or pay per click. Another case, Automotive Excellence in Northern California, Rohnert Park. Same case scenario. Here is the video that we just posted 4 days ago. And of course, the rest of the information. And 237 found them directly from their business name or address. Plus 37 visited the website, 37 requested directions, 42 call. No pay-per-click, no charge. Autotectronics, Katy, Texas. Same case scenario. Here it is, the video, all the information. Then we go to the Google My Business page, and they had 206 people in 1 month find them by the business name or address, or otherwise, just for the type of service. All this coming again from the Google Map directory and the Google My Business page in the front page of Google. Now, 44 visited the website, 42 requested directions, 48 free calls from Google. Auburn Euro Motors, Northern California again. Here is the review video. Here are the 3 videos that are on their website and YouTube and everywhere else. Here is the review video that you saw on the front page. And we go to Insights and, of course, all the keywords they used to find. In 1 month, 217 found the shop through the business name or address. And they got 30 people visited the website, 25 requested directions, 53 called the shop. No charge, no pay per click. Now, what is it that they see when they click on the video for the reviews?
Are you experiencing troubles with your vehicle in the market for repairs? Well, you've come to the right place. Just look at what our customers are saying about us.
So basically, it's showing the customers all the good reviews that you have. And of course, that's a real powerful way of presenting your shop, isn't it? So if you would like to know how we can accomplish this for your business, just drop us a line on the email that you'll see. Otherwise, give us a call and we'll schedule a call to go ahead and go over all the details.